The little bird cried, tears in her eyes. Mama bird heard, and she asked why. Who upset my child? Who caused this pain? It was the hawk, mama, the hawk again. Onye mere nwanne bakwa, egbe mere nwanne bakwa. Weta uziza, weta ose, weta ngaji mkpụrụ ofe, umono no arachaya. Amamonyabu. Mama bird smiled, don't you fear. We'll deal with the heart, my child, no tears. Bring Uziza, bring pepper too. Bring the spoon, and we'll make a soup. Onye mere nwanne bakwa, egbe mere nwanne bakwa. Weta uziza, weta ose, weta ngaji mkpụrụ ofe, umono no arachaya. Amamonyobu. Mama arrived at the hawk's own nest, carrying soup she had made with zest. The hawk smelled spice and opened wide, but oh, it burned and the hawk cried. What made the hawk cry out loud? Oh, say pepper soup. Who saved the day with a clever plan? Mama bird, the brave one. Onye mere nwanne bakwa, egbe mere nwanne bakwa. Weta uziza, weta ose, weta ngaji mkpụrụ ofe, umono no arachaya.
And so Mama Bird, with her child by her side, tricked the hawk with a plan so wise. With Uziza, Ose, and Gaji in hand, they taught a lesson all could understand.
Remember teamwork and care. Stay smart, stay brave, and always beware.